So the question says that there are two experiments happening, right? So in the first experiment, 1 liter of a mixture of CO and CO2 was taken, okay, and this mixture was passed through a tube containing red hot charcoal. The volume became 1.6 liter. Okay, now the volumes are measured under the same conditions, before and after the mixture was passed through the tube containing the red hot charcoal. Okay, and the second experiment, a metallic compound was taken, and it was said to contain 28% of nitrogen and 72% of the metal by weight. 3 atoms of the metal combined with 2 atoms of nitrogen. Okay, so that's the property of the metal given to us. Now based on this, we have to see which of the following statements is correct. The first two, they talk about the percentage of CO by volume, The second one talks about the percentage of CO2 by volume in the mixture. The third one asks about the molecular formula of the metal, and the fourth one talks about the atomic weight of the metal itself. Okay, so let's start by first of all considering the first experiment. Okay, so let's look at experiment 1. Now the experiment 1 happened when I took carbon, which is your red hot charcoal, okay, and it combined with CO2 to give CO. This is the reaction that is going to take place when this mixture passes through the tube containing red hot charcoal. So initially, let us suppose that we had X liter of CO2 in the beginning. Okay, so X liter of CO2, and we had 0 liter of CO in this reaction, and finally we had 0 of CO2 and we had 2x of CO, right? This is what it is going to be. Now if 1 liter of the original mixture contained X liter of CO2, okay, initially if the 1 liter original mixture contained X liter of CO2, after passing from the tube containing the red hot charcoal, the new volumes would become as shown below. Okay, the new volumes would become 2x, that is the volume of CO, okay, obtained from the CO2, plus 1, okay, minus x. X is the original CO2. Okay, that's what it was. X was the original CO2, which is equal to how much? Which will be equal to 1 plus x. 1 plus x, and this is given to be 1.6 liters. This is what is given to us. So that means the value of x is going to be 0.6 liters.